channel. Today I have a guest. She's been on my channel already. And we about to play Never Have I Ever Dirty. So, explain how it goes again.
Okay, so Anna Kay will start. She will start by saying, never have I ever blank. But she's only going to say it if she's never done it. And if I done it, I would drink. I'll take a shot. And vice versa.
Yeah, we're just putting a little twist to it. Oh, well, show them what we're drinking tonight, girl.
Oh, well, I'm drinking gin.
Oh, are you doing something different?
Yeah.
Oh, well, I'm drinking these. Oh, I didn't know it was something different you had. Oh, okay. Never have I ever tasted breast milk. I never did that.
You never taste your own breast milk?
No.
My goodness.
I never.
My goodness.
I
was curious. I tasted my own breast milk.
So drink. What drink for?
My goodness.
I never did that. She's gonna be drunk tonight. But I want to drink.
I should have bought some Hennessy.
I don't. Girl, we're gonna be on your own with that. I'll drink that one. London
I'd rather
gin.
shot Hennessy.
Go ahead. That's it.
Oh. Okay, I found. Never have I ever done it with a family member in the same room.
No.
That's nasty.
Hell no. Who does that? Oh nah, girl. Never have I ever snuck a girl/guy into the house. I never did that.
Me neither.
Oh, okay.
My parents' house were crazy.
That's what I'm saying. Hell no. Happy Friday, guys.
Never have I ever removed clothing in public that was not mine.
No. In public, we're public.
Public around people that you don't know. It's not in your house. Everywhere else is public. Not a family member's house.
In a car.
Would you say your car is public? Well, that's your private car, so I wouldn't say that's public.
It ain't my car. I don't have a car.
Well, it's in someone's car. That's pretty private to me.
So it's not public. It's still outside.
If y'all was outside the car.
Oh no, girl.
Maybe the park or...
No. You?
No.
Okay. Never have I ever done it in public. Like the park or the movies.
No.
Okay. Yeah, I'm boring, baby. I don't do that.
Never have I ever watched my friend doing it with their partner. Drink.
You put me on the spot for that one.
You said you ain't seen nothing I did.
Wow. Okay, girl. That's how you feel? Okay. Never have I done it with someone more than twice my age. Twice my age. Oh, snap, girl. Okay, girl.
Never have I ever woken up to someone giving me head. You got it in there.
Am I in there?
Oh.
Oh.
No, I felt it.
Oh, I didn't see when you do that. Well, yeah. Ah, that's the best. Good more. That is the best, girl. Never have I ever done it while at a party. Yeah. Never have I ever slept with someone I thought was ugly. Think about it. I can't sleep with you if you're unattractive to me. So yeah.
Never have I ever fooled around in a car and accidentally honked the horn.
Well, I didn't do it.
It was either one of y'all.
I didn't do it.
I poured it already.
Why keep doing that? Damn, Kimberly. I'm gonna get drunk, girl. Ooh. Whew. Never ever caught my parents doing it.
Ew. Ew.
No.
It's nasty.
It's very nasty. Very.
Thank you, Jesus. I never.
Exactly. Woo.
Never have I ever stood someone up on a date.
No, I never did that. Never have I ever done it in a sleeping bag.
No. Who uses bags?
You know, like when you go probably hiking or outdoors.
I don't go hiking.
or an indoor sleeping bag. I don't know.
No. Never have I ever used someone else's toothbrush.
No.
Yeah, but once in a while, be like, oh damn, I forgot my toothbrush.
No.
And be like, you know what? I'm gonna use their own real quick.
I'd rather go home and brush my own teeth.
And they will never know.
No, that's gross. No.
I thought about doing it, but I never did it.
No, I never did that. I'd rather go home
I was like, no.
with my stink breath and go home and brush my teeth with my toothbrush. Never have I ever kissed a celebrity.
No. I hardly ever met a celebrity. I'm gonna kiss them. Never have I ever gone on a blind date.
You know what a blind date? Yeah?
Really?
Okay, what do you consider a blind date?
Maybe
Ever?
somebody
Hook you up?
hook you up with somebody that you never seen before or don't know nothing about.
No, I never did that.
No,
No, I never did that. Never have I ever screwed around in an elevator.
Ew.
People do that.
That is, you see that in the movies. That's
Yeah.
nasty. I'm
People
sorry.
don't do that.
That is nasty.
I put in the elevator.
Never have I ever sent a dirty text to the wrong person.
Mm-mm. You my business? Don't do that. I feel so drunk.
You? I think I drank more than you.
You did.
Okay.
Oh, girl. I look so sleepy. Never have I ever licked food off someone. Food.
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 Like whipped cream?
Is that food?
People eat it.
No, but I asked you because I thought it was like food. Cause I licked whipped cream on somebody before.
I think whipped cream counts. I licked whipped cream off of my husband.
Should I drink too?
This gin is. Oh, how? I should have really bought some honey.
Henny tastes better than that? I never taste Henny.
You remember what?
I never taste Henny.
All right, attention, people. She said she never drank honey.
I never.
That is shocking.
Yeah, because I don't like dark liquor, first of all. I don't remember me ever trying no dark liquor.
Have I ever said the wrong name in bed?
I never did that. Yeah. No, girl. That'd be crazy. Never have I ever gotten a tattoo.
My goodness. I told you about mine.
No. Okay.
Okay, so
What tattoo you
how was
got?
I? But it's not really nothing. It's like when. How old was I? I don't even know. Like 19. Me and my cousins went on a cruise to Mexico.
Mm-hmm.
And what happened? We went out, we explored, we did whatever. And then I went back into my cabin and I went to sleep. And then my cousins came knocking and was like, look, we're going to get matching tattoos. You coming? I was like, you know what, I'm coming. And we got matching tattoos, but you can't really see mine.
Really?
It's like right here, but it look like pubic hairs.
Oh.
It was supposed
So
to be
it's small. What is it supposed to be?
it's supposed to be a I can't remember. It's supposed to be a butterfly, but it's either a Japanese or a Chinese butterfly.
Okay.
But now it look like pubic hairs.
Girl.
For real. But I guess it counts.
Oh, yeah. Drink. Tattoo, girl. You got ink. Want somebody to put a needle on you? Oh, girl.
Oh, it's
Let's got drink.
18 or 17. I can't remember how old I
Oh,
was.
yeah, drink, girl. She don't want to drink.
Never have I ever slept with someone whose name I did not know.
Did not know. No. Why would you? No. Why would you do somebody who I know?
There's people that do that.
Nah, bro. Never have I ever done a nude streak in public. What? A
Never.
nude streak, really?
Never have I ever had a threesome.
She did it on purpose. She did that shit on
You
purpose.
said I could.
Did I?
I said I wasn't gonna say it. You was like, girl, you could. I'm grown. So you ain't say that.
I am grown.
All right then. You said you could say that. I'm grown. All right, you grown. Then drink.
I still didn't know you was gonna do that though. I forgot all about that. Okay. Oh gosh, Jesus, these things get to me. Okay. Oh girl. I can't read this shit.
Are you so drunk here anymore? Let me see. I'm trying to look for the next one. Ask you. Okay, I found. Well, I don't feel like you did that before. Well, maybe you did. I don't know. I'm gonna ask and see.
Never ever stalked an ex's new partner on social media. I don't give a fuck what you doing.
I wasn't stalking. I was just being nosy. And this was like years ago. I was just being nosy. Back in the days. I don't do that no more. I got my man.
Girl, once you out, I don't care about what you do no more.
And to clarify, I was not stalking. I was being nosy.
Well, kind of the same thing.
No, stalking is stalking
Just
is
I was being nosy.
stalking is not being nosy.
That's why you drink.
Being nosy is being nosy.
That's why you drink.
I mean, like, I was looking. I was curious. Never have I ever had sex in a sea or a pool.
Pool? No. Definitely not the
Open
beach.
body of water.
Nah. Never have I ever gone skinny dipping.
I never went skinny
What
dipping.
is it like? They just asking. Well, no, not really. But, yeah.
Never have I
Jumping.
ever flashed someone.
Never done that. Flash.
Yeah, like, I'm getting in my jerseys.
Nah. No, we're not flash nobody. Never ever been thrown out of a bar or a club.
Oh man, you know how much times?
Really?
Yes.
Why? Why was you thrown out,
It's
girl?
not even me. It's because this one person we was hanging out.
Damn, girl.
My goodness, it wasn't even one time. I got thrown out of a strip club and a bar.
Oh. Drink up.
Strip club wasn't my fault. The guys was buying us drink and paying attention to us. And the strippers got mad.
Oh. Oh.
And they started throwing money at us.
The strippers?
No, the guys. And the strippers got mad. They told security and security threw us out.
Oh, you sick. Wow.
This was
girl.
back in the days when I was a little skinnier, so that was before the baby.
Crazy.
Never have I ever been walked in on while having sex.
No. Never.
That's great.
Okay, guys. Oh, I'm not clapping. Okay. At the end of the video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.